name is Julia and I'm your butler. May I help you with your luggage, Mom?
Yes, please.
Mom, could you check if all your luggage are complete before we proceed to your room?
It's okay, it's complete.
Thank you, Mom. I received your luggage with a good condition. This way to the lobby, Miss Elvira. Do you have any ID, passport, for verification purpose?
Yes, here.
Okay, Miss. Here's your ID and keycard, and your room number is number 365. Before we arrive to your room, Mom, can you allow me to explain our hotel facilities?
Okay.
Okay, Mom. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant, located at the lobby, level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have a cafe and business center at lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located at the second floor, and the swimming pool, spa, and fitness center are on the 5th floor. Let us know if you need to make reservation for our hotel facilities.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, for convenience, the hotel has prohibition for room service from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The room service menu is on top of the night table. You may also dine at some of our outlets, like Golden Chain Restaurant operating from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You may also avail of together with laundry rates. Should you wish to go for entertainment, our hotel has an entertainment called a Golden Chain Club, operating from 5 to 2 a.m. Ma'am, may I borrow your keycard to open your room?
Here.
Let me explain how to use your keycard, Miss Elvira. Please stop here at the door will be open. When you put your keycard here, the electricity was automatically on, and when you remove it, electricity was off. Where would you like me to put your luggage?
Just put it in the luggage rack.
Mom, would you like me to help you unpack your luggage?
No, I can.
Mom, would you like me to explain to you the room facilities?
Yes, please.
Mom, this is your cabinet. You can place your clothes here. And this is the bed. You can feel comfortable and very soft. And here, Mom, the sofa. You can relax while watching television. This is the air condition with remote control. To control the coldness, this is your bathroom for the water. Top red button for hot and blue for cold water. As you can see, here the telephone to make an outgoing call. Press 0 for operation. Assistance, 1 for housekeeping, 2 laundry, and 3 for your room service. And this is the TV. And is the remote control for your television channel list. You also have your mini bar with chocolate and drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Mom, at the back of the door, our house rules stated here, just in case of emergency. Just follow the instruction for your safety and security. Is everything satisfactory, Mrs. Elvira? Is there anything else I can do for you? Please call us should you need further assistance. I hope you enjoy stay in our hotel.